Today is Monday, July 15th, and we are
It's the 13th.
13th.
We are about to embark on a boat ride to Capri.
A day trip, a day tour
Yes.
that includes, I guess, boat around the island, so maybe snorkeling, swimming, and a few hours on Capri. And we're wearing our new fun shirts that we bought a few weeks ago. Aren't they so cute?
Yours is very cute.
And this is where we are in Sorrento. Ooh, look at that. How pretty.
It's la Marina Grande di Sorrento, which means the big marina, because originally it was the bigger one. But as you can see right now, it's literally the opposite.
Right.
There's also the main fishing village that we have on our coast, and there's a place where there are a lot of great restaurants if you want to eat seafood. While on the other side of the coast, there's Naples, that's the Gulf of Naples, and that's the Vesuvius, which is a dormant volcano.
So we got to Capri. We got here on our boat, and then we had to get on a dinghy, and then we got off of that. And our options in Capri are to take like a city bus, but it's pretty crowded. To take a taxi, pretty expensive, or this shuttle company with these tiny little buses with air conditioning, and it's like a hop on, hop off. Take you all around. So we have 3 hours on the island of Capri. And so we paid 25 euros a piece to take this shuttle. Oh, they do open this at some point, I think, don't they?
They do.
How was the ride up to the town of Anacapri?
It was long and windy. up and back across the mountain. It was really spectacular views up there.
So this is Anacapri. I guess the other little town in, I guess there's Capri and Anacapri.
I think so,
Okay.
yes.
So we got off on the shuttle and we are walking to this historic center, see what there is to experience.
Let's see if you can see.
How cute the signs are.
Wow. Those are really cool.
No, tranquillissima.
Ooh, look at this one.
Look at that.
What are we touring today?
We are in the Villa San Michel. It's they should call it a compound in Anacapri, on the island of Capri. Look at this table.
Is that a soccer field?
It sure is.
Don't wake a sleeping cat. Is that what they say?
I've never heard that. You know,
Oh, they're already ready. Oh, they have oranges too.
oh my. Oh boy.
They have a coconut. Oh, there's a funicular. Look up there.
Oh wow. Oh, that's
I
amazing.
love this special. Lemon drink, lemon flush. Yes.
Wonder if we could go in there. Should we try?
Yeah.
Hotel La Palma looks pretty.
Sure is. Map?
No, thank you.
I'll have to give you one.
No, thank you.
Oh, look at this one. The Hotel Gato Bianco.
Oh.
No. Abbiamo giocato stavolta.
That's what I want. Really spend $800 on one?
Yep.
You don't. Look how pretty that hotel
That
is.
is beautiful, huh?
What hotel is that?
Oh boy, that's beautiful.
Look at that.
Swarovski.
Look how pretty that is.
Oh my goodness. That is, isn't it? Wow.
So pretty, isn't it?
We also knew how to eat them. I never tried it. I don't know how they do.